I really love this time of the year when Huawei's upcoming flagship phone is about to be released. And the first leaks and rumors started coming out because this excites me a lot. So, the thing is, Huawei's upcoming flagship phone, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro, is going to launch very soon, most probably next month, and according to some sources, mass production of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro has already started. Even Huawei has begun manufacturing the Huawei Mate 70 series in a large quantity as they expect this phone to sell in significant numbers. Additionally, a live image of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro RS edition has leaked out. The image quality is a bit low, but it still gives us some information about the phone's looks. According to details, Huawei executives were spotted using this phone, so if you look at it, the phone is basically covered with a protective case, but the camera opening is diagonal. Over the past few years, Huawei has been using this camera outlook to achieve distinctiveness for the Mate RS models. On the other hand, the standard and the Pro models use rounded design. Coming to the camera count, the image shows that it has at least 5 openings and additional sensors. So I am pretty much sure that this phone has 5 cameras in real. Plus, there is a red colored power button on the side and volume rockers. And since the display is hidden in a protective case, we can't say much about it, but it looks like it has a curved display panel again. Moving on, there is another render of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro. Overall, the phone looks quite similar to the Huawei Mate 60 Pro from last year. However, the main feature of this upcoming phone is going to be its processor, as Huawei Mate 70 series will be powered by the new Kirin 9100 chipset and it will support Harmony OS Next ecosystem. I expect this phone to be extremely fast because Huawei claims that Harmony OS Next is significantly smoother and faster than Android. Plus, a brand new chipset is cherry on top. For now, this is all the information I have, but to make sure you don't miss any details about the phone, subscribe to the channel because I will be uploading every single detail about this phone. And make sure to let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.